Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create app inside our Django project. Okay. So in the last video, we have created just the project, guys. Now inside one project, we can have multiple applications running. Okay. For example, let's say you are working on one food delivery application. In that, you will be having customer app, you will be having vendor site app, you will be having user app. It depends. Okay, multiple applications we can have, which is a part of one single project. Okay, so let's start creating the application inside the project. So this is the terminal. Let's say if you would have deleted the terminal, what you have to do, go to the terminal, take the new terminal. Okay, so the first step is activate your virtual environment and then change the directory to the practice, because inside this practice project we have to create the application. Okay, so to create the app we have to run the simple command Django admin start app. Make sure you will write it here app, not start project. Okay, Django admin start app name I will give it as my app. Hit enter. So as you can check, when app got created, application got created. Okay, and by default you will be getting all these files. We'll understand the meaning of all these files next. Okay, so now we'll start our server python manage.py run server. Multiple times I told you, for Windows use Python or py. Okay, not Python 3, not required. So now as you can see, I have started the server. So I'll just scroll. We'll go back and I'll just refresh this. Yeah, we are getting the same response. Okay. So now we will do little bit of changes into our URLs. Look here, everyone. This is your app folder. Okay. And this is your root folder, project folder. Is this your root folder? No, this is the app. First app we have created inside our practice project. So this is practice project. What are the root folder related with the practice project? This is the root folder. And which app is running inside the project? My app is running. As of now, only one app is running. Let's say you created multiple apps. I will show you one more app. I just deleted it. Let it be. I'll just take one more terminal. Okay. The first step is you have to activate the virtual environment. Next, change the directory to the project name practice. So see here, Django admin start app. Let's say this time I want to create a user app. So can you see one user app got created, which is a part of this project only. So like that, you can create the multiple apps inside one project. Okay. So as of now, I'll go with only one app. The second one, I'll just delete it. Okay. User app. I don't want it. So I'll delete it from my project. As I have told, one project can have multiple apps. If you consider one hospital management application, so hospital will be the main project. In that, you have a customer app, you have a patient app, you have a doctor side app. Okay, multiple apps you will create for each user. Okay, it depends upon the requirement. So, okay, understood. We have created my app. So now go inside the root directory and search for urls.py, because this is the entry point of your Django. Whenever we will add the path here in the address bar, where Django will search this path? In the urls.py of project. Correct? Okay. So now here I am going to tell if the path is empty, or let's say app. If user will enter app slash, then it should include what? All the URLs of my app. Inside my app, we will be having the URLs, right? So I will be telling it should include all the URLs of my app. So now include by default won't be present. We have to include it. Okay. So here I'll just write include. Okay, include. So I'll just save the code. Okay. So now it is showing no module named my app.urls. Why? Because I am telling here, when user will enter inside the address bar app slash, See, app slash path got matched here. Then include URLs of my app. So this we will close, will go inside my app. Do we have any urls.py here? No, we don't have. That's why we are getting this error. So I will right click on the my app. I will create a new file with the name urls.py. So .py you should not write. So from this, I will copy everything. This, all things, or the whole only I'll copy and I'll paste it here. Now what in all the things are not required, we'll just remove them. Now here include isn't required, only path is required. Views. Okay, views will keep it as it is. Okay. Okay. So this path I will remove. All the paths I will remove. We don't have any paths. Okay. Okay, understood. So I'll just split the screen so that it will be clearly visible. Now this is the urls.py of our project and this is the urls.py of our my app. Okay, inside this I will create one path. Okay, what is the path? Let's say this is the home page. So home slash, it should go inside the views and it should invoke the home view. Okay, that's all. So what is the meaning of this? Now look here, everyone. As soon as user will enter slash app, which file will be checked? urls.py of projects will be checked. So it will check. Is app slash matching here? No. App slash matching here? No. App slash matching here? No. App slash matching here? Yes. So go inside the URLs of my app. So this is the URLs of my app. Okay. Now here what next path we have to check? Is it matching with home slash? So see here. If user will enter home slash. So after app slash, is the path matching with home slash? Home slash? Yes. So go inside the views and invoke home view. Which view? Inside the same directory, you should create views.py. So inside my app, do we have any views.py? See? Yes, we do have. So go inside the views.py. Let's create one home view here. Def home view, which will accept the request and what it should return. I will write it should return one HTTP response. Okay, inside this, I'll just write hello from my app view. Okay, hello from my app view. I'll just save the code. So now this views.py is different, guys. This is the views.py of your project. We'll just import this HTTP response in this view also. Okay. So we'll save the code. By default, we will get this render method. We are going to use it next. So I will save this code. We'll save this code also. Okay. And where else we have learned? Okay, we'll save this code also. Okay. So still we are getting the error that no module named myapp.urls. So we have to import the URLs here. Okay, like this. Actually, we have imported everything. So the issue we are getting because we have not registered our application, guys. Okay. We have created first app inside our project, right? So whenever we create the apps, we have to register them. How? See here. If you go to the settings.py, this is the settings.py. Only one time you have to do this. So we will be having installed apps. So go to the installed apps. What is our app name? My app, right? So just write my app, place the comma as it is. Now you can see we are not getting that error. So make sure you will register your application whenever you create the apps inside the project. So see here, if I enter app slash, where the path will be matched first? Inside the URLs of project. So app slash got matched. So all the paths related with my app will be checked now. So it will go inside the my app. What in all the paths we have in urls.py, that will be checked. So after app slash, which path is matching? Home slash. So check home slash. So if I hit enter, see, I'm getting hello from my app view. I hope I'm clear with how to create the app inside the project and how to map these URLs. Okay. So this is what we call it as a URL mapping. each URL will be related with one view inside the project. Okay. So this is what we call it as URL mapping, guys. I hope I am clear with this. So again, I will show you all the files on which we have worked. So the entry point of our project is urls.py. Here path will be checked. If the path is app slash, include all the URLs of my app. So it will go inside the my app, this one. It will check all the URLs of your my app. But how your project will get to know my app got created or not? Inside the settings.py of your root directory, you should register your app. That's all, guys. Okay. So this is what you have to check it out. So multiple URLs we can create now. We'll go back to the URL. Now let's say user will enter the path. Let's say home page only we will target, let it be. Now when user will enter home slash, yes, it is invoking home view and it is returning one HTTP response, this one. But now I don't want to return HTTP response. Rather, I want to render one complete HTML document. So at that time, what you can do, see here. Inside my app, you create one more new folder. This I will close. This is not required. On my app, right click, new folder. Give the folder name as templates. Now again, right click on templates. Again, new folder. Folder name should match with your app name. I will give my app. Now inside my app, right click, create a new file. I will give the file name as home.html. Now inside this, we'll take one h1 tag and we'll just write it here. This is our home page. Okay. And this is the closing of h1 tag. So inside h3 tag, I will give one heading also. We are going to display some products or some food items. So we will write explore our food items. Like this we will write, and this is the closing of our h3 tag. Now when user will enter app/home, it should show this HTML document to the user, not the HTTP response. Okay. So let's see how to render our HTML document. Okay. So now let's go back to the URLs. In URLs, we no need to touch anything. It should invoke home view only. Let's check our views.py. So this return value we should change, guys. So I'm going to write it here. Return, render. What? The first parameter of this will be the request. Okay, this request, comma. What to render? Inside my app, you have one HTML document with the home, with the name home. So you just need to tell render this home.html. That's all. Inside my app folder, make sure app name, this folder name should match. Okay. So I'll just save this code. We'll go back and again I'll refresh this. You can check we are getting that HTML document, guys. So I hope I'm clear with how to render the HTML document. So live now you have seen views also, you have seen template also. And in this video, you have learned URL mapping also. In the interviews, if someone will ask you, what is URL mapping? So this is only URL mapping. For each URL, you are giving one specific view, guys. It's not like home slash multiple times you have given and same view is there for all the, no, it's not like that. One unique URLs will be having and the view we will be giving to that particular URL, and this is called as URL mapping, guys. So I hope I am clear with how to return and render HTML documents from our Django project. In the upcoming video, we will learn about M also, which is nothing but model, guys. Until then, please do practice with this. Thank you, everyone, and have a good day to all.